Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World, and today we got some freebies for you to check out that's in the Gear Manager store. It's on the home page. I suggest you download it as soon as you can because it's free for probably a limited time offer. It doesn't give a time limit this time, but listen, download right away. Alright, we're going to start off with the first one. First one is super awesome. The name of this one is called SamWatch Sign Cube. Definitely a great looking watch face. I reviewed this one before, never seen it free on the Gear Manager store. So let's check this one out. Now, what you're gonna get is you're gonna get a cube-like time, and it's nice. I like it. I thought the developer definitely did a good job with this. I mean, at the top, you got the month, you got your day of the week, and you got your date. I like that. And then in two corners, right here, that's gonna be your digital time. This is not a bad look. I like this. I wish that you can rotate the cube a little bit, but all in all, this is an awesome looking watch face. Now if you look in the corners here, you will get calories burned, miles walked or ran, your heart rate, your steps. All the important information you need for your step status is there. And also down at the bottom, you're gonna get your battery percentage. Also, what you're gonna be able to do with this watch face is, if you double tap, you can change the color theme of the watch face. And there's quite a few to choose from. Just keep tapping. I mean, you got a lot. We're gonna cycle through pretty much almost most of them because it's a lot to go through. Just give you an idea as to what you're gonna have when you download it. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for watch face number one. Let's check out watch face number two. Okay, you all, watch face number two. Number two is called SamWatch World Digital C. I did a review on this one before. This is actually an awesome watch face that I'm telling you, you're gonna like, especially considering that this watch face is free, right? Now, of course, all the watch faces got a nice always on display. I'm not gonna show those this time since I did a review on it before. But listen, I like that it gives you information of the world, and it's nice. And you can also change it too. If you double tap, you can show a different part of the world with what time it is in that area of the world. And you get your digital time down at the bottom along with your date as well, which is pretty cool. And just check it out. I mean, I think it's worth the download. Very unique looking watch face, going to stand out amongst the rest of your lineup. This one, you want to download as soon as possible. Let's check out watch face number three. Now, number three is nice, but yet busy. It's free in the Gear Manager store as well, and I've done a review on this one also. Now, the name of the watch face is called World Analog C. Now, if you take a look at the watch face, it is the analog watch face. It does have a nice looking moon phase at the top. You're going to get your date over to the right here. Down at the bottom, if you look real good, you'll see your steps and your battery info. Now, what's happening around the bezel of the watch, you got the name of different cities in the United States as well as different countries throughout the world. It is a nice looking watch face. I'm thinking it's just really busy, but yet it is free in the Gear Manager store. So if you like it, make sure you download it, and you can customize the color just a little bit. If you look on the inside of the watch, at least around where the moon phase is, you'll see how it changes colors a little bit. All right, you all, that's it. Listen, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts of these freebies that's in the Gear Manager store. Remember, it's for a limited time only, I believe, so I would download right away. All right, you all, please hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell at the top, and I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.